Hey there, choices and decisions make a destiny, right? And when it matches up choosing a career, जब career को choose करने की बात आती है, then it's a big decision. So in this video, I am going to decode the six key sectors, six growth area that's going to keep on growing at least for a decade that you can plan a career for your child or if you are a teenager for yourself. This is Maurya here, an alumnus of Bislani, and I am Bangalore, a certified career development facilitator with 25 plus years of professionally. Now I'm on a mission to help 100,000 children to become super achievers and achieve something great. So let's dive in. All right, as you can see, these are the six sectors that are going to keep on growing at least for next one decade. That is first one, healthcare, IT, green energy, environmental sustainability, e-commerce and digital marketing, manufacturing, and financial management. So let's decode one by one, right? As you can see, the first one is healthcare. So healthcare, normally, we are aware of doctors, engineers, nurses, lab technicians. No, these are very common. But other than that, we have a great potential in pharmaceutical, right? To as a pharmacist, drug manufacturing, right? There are a lot of courses which can be pursued in drug area, medical instrumentation, or something biomedical engineering. So this is a drug research, hospital management, right? So these are the key because of population and the diseases keep on coming, there will be again threat for the health, and we need a professional to support the healthcare system. So this is going to keep on going at least for a decade for sure. It's not only for India, across the globe. Let's take the next one. Next one is IT, right? IT is normally, as we know, because of the automation of automation, means hyper automation. There'll be some no job cuts, no reduction of jobs, which are basic coding, all the repetitive stuff, right? A simple task that we automated, but still these roles, these areas are going to be keep on developing. And if child is excellent and he or she want to pursue a career in computer science, then he or she can choose software engineering, something robotics engineering, because there will be a lot of automation, AI and machine learning language. This is again a pretty growing area. There's going to be a big growth in AI and ML, right? And cybersecurity, because cybersecurity is the big threat, and they're all most of the organization, government, they're expanding a huge amount to save their data, save their assets, right? And data scientists, because now this social media, all that stuff, there is huge data that need to be analyzed and managed. We need data scientists to manage the growth. So these roles are going to be growing for sure, at least a decade at next 5-10 years. Next one, you can see the green energy and environmental sustainability, right? No, environment is under threat, and no, a lot of focus and drive from the United Nations, from the each countries to protect it, because that's going to big threat for the survival of humankind, right? So this area is going to be growing, and it still is growing and keep on growing, and there'll be huge investment. There'll be huge number of jobs that will be created in this area, like environmental specialists, right? And also called sustainability consultant, right? Whatever jobs role it call. And there will be no drive for the battery vehicles, electrical vehicles, right? So this manufacturing of vehicles, there'll be a lot of roles, production engineer, manager, technician in this area. And renewable energy, because no, our conventional, the normal energy, petrol, diesel, that's going to finish after some time. Or maybe everybody is looking for to renewable energy, which is green and which do not pollute, right? So there'll be a lot of roles that will be keep on coming, like engineers, technicians, project managers, right? So this area is going to again keep on growing for sure. Let's take the next one, e-commerce and digital marketing. We know now, because of the social media, and the connectivity, that the e-commerce is going to be keep on booming, keep on growing at least for a decade, because it's viability, and there'll be a network no, there are a lot of companies which are investing huge money in the e-commerce, and to support that, we need supply chain management, especially logistic management, and of course, we need in order to market the product, we need the digital marketing experts, right? And we need customer care support people. We need the e-commerce management. So the e-commerce and digital marketing is again going to be on growth path. So absolutely, we need to align our child education to support this area. Now coming to the next potential area, right? Manufacturing, because across the globe, infrastructure development, right? Infrastructure development and the manufacturing, because of the population, we need a lot of product like services and products, right? So manufacturing is again will be having consistent growth because of the need of the population for the product and services. So we need roles and the employment to support this growth, like engineers, technicians, managers, research and development, marketing guys. And finally, you can see the financial management, right? Which people underrate and know, but it's going to keep on growing. A lot of like core banking, investment banking, financial analysts, and insurance, and of course, risk management portfolio and blockchain development. So this area is going to keep on growing. There will be a lot of investment, a lot of employment will be created at least 5, 10 years for sure. I hope you have got a lot of value. So in order to get more related stuff and the value content with the career stuff and success mindset, I request you to subscribe the channel. And I have a gift for you around 15K. You can click on the link given in my description, and you can be part of my community. With this, I sign off. Thank you so much.